Today we're going to be talking about naming your Shopify store. What should you name your store? There's no such thing as a right name or a wrong name. It all depends on the type of business you're in and the niche that you're in. Just choose according to what you're passionate about, what you can't stop thinking about, what you really love doing. Let's say, for instance, you're in the camping niche. You want to target customers who love camping, who love spending time with their family, their friends, in local parks, in forests, or in beautiful meadows. But more importantly, you have a great understanding about this niche because it's something that you love doing yourself. You're very passionate about it. You love camping, you love spending time with your families in the weekends, talking about your lives together. You know what equipments to bring, what gears to bring along, what to wear. Basically, because you've been camping your whole life, you know what it's like, how it goes. So you know what these people want, what your customers want, because it's the same things that you want, such as types of tents to bring in your forest, the camping attire, camping gears. Now, I'm not a camping fanatic myself, so I don't really know the kind of products that really work in this niche, what it's about. But you get the idea. Find something that you're passionate about, and then you can select a name based on that passion. So that's the first one. First, find your passionate niche, and then you're going to determine what name you want to use. Off the top of my head, for camping, maybe you can do campingtreats.com. That's the name of your store, campingtreats.com. Then you can start searching for available domain names that are available to be used for your business. Just go to any domain name provider's website, such as GoDaddy, Bluehost, Name.com. Just pick any one of them and go. There's a section where you can put the name of a domain name that you like inside the search bar. Choose a domain name that you can be proud of, that can best represent your business, that you love hearing. Also, make sure that you make at least 2 to 3 options of different names. So if one of them was taken, then you can try the other one, because sometimes the domain names that you think about are already there, so you cannot use them anymore. Use other resources to research for your domain name, such as oulinedomainsearch.com. You can use Shopify's business name generator, or you can use my personal favorite, which is expireddomains.net. So it's expireddomains.net. I'll have the link to that website down in the description below. Basically, it's a free website where you can research or search for expired domains that have already been expired, that might be available for you to use as a name for your store. This was the exact website that I used to research for ideas for my first testing WordPress website. It was nexfits.com, nexfits.com. I was scouring the internet looking for potential names for my website. I was learning how to do websites in the beginning, how to build my own website. So I needed a name. And then I went to expireddomainnames.net. I found this name and it sounded nice, so I used it. Some of the names on this site also have searches from Google. They already have SEO with them. So certain people in the world are already searching for them. It's not a big advantage, but at least it's something. So if you're being lazy, you've run out of ideas about researching names for your niche, maybe you're in the dragon niche and then you don't know what to name your store. So you just type in dragons inside the expireddomains.net and it will spit out a list of selection of domain names available that you might use. As I said before, not all of the domain names inside that site are available to be used. So you need to put it inside the domain name provider search bar on any domain name provider's website and see if it's available for your business. Now here's what you shouldn't do. You shouldn't be naming your store with scammy-like names A few examples: thecheapeststore.com, all'itemsfree.com. These are terrible names for your store. They sound sketchy, they sound scammy, they're not premium, they're not professional, and it will tarnish the reputation of your brand if you use these kinds of names. In the end, just keep it simple. Just find a name, research a bit, find a name that sounds nice, and use it for your store. Don't spend too much time on it. Don't waste time, because the name of your store is only a small factor that goes into the success of your business. It doesn't mean that if you have a crappy name, then your business will fail. You have other things to think about, like marketing, the products that you sell, your customer base, email list. So the name of your store isn't everything. It's just a nice starting off point. So to sum it all up, find a passionate niche, something that you're very passionate about, something that you have at least have a basic understanding about. And then you research for a name. You research for the name in the domain name providers, expiredomainnames.net, leandomainsearch.com. Use any of these tools to find an idea of a name that you would like to use. Then just keep it simple. Just pick something and use it for your store. That's all I have for today for naming your Shopify store. If you found the content helpful, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon that comes with it so that you will be notified of future video releases. Drop a like, leave a comment down in the section below if there's any other kind of video that you'd like me to make, anything you'd like to know more about to help you with your business. I'll be releasing more videos on online businesses, dropshipping, Shopify in the coming future. Plus, remember to grab your free Shopify Dropshipping Hackbook down in the description below. It's a beginner-friendly, step-by-step guide on Shopify dropshipping. I hope it helps you as an entrepreneur. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.